So what I'm going to talk about in this video, guys, is I guarantee you any man anywhere in the world at any age will be able to do like step by step exactly what it is that I'm going to talk about. And if you do what I do on a consistent basis, you're going to see that your confidence is going to, pretty much mirror mine by the end of however long, 30 days or longer that you go and do this. I am at the point now, man, where like women to me, they're just, dude, I don't care how pretty you are, man. You guys are all just people to me. Now, like, approaching a new girl and talking to a new girl at first, that can be a little intimidating. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like approaching like a new girl, depending on like my mood, is like there's always gonna be that little bit of like hesitation, because it's that is never really going to go away. And I used to think it was a fear of like rejection, and that might be part of it. But what I've also noticed too is I was raised stranger danger. So I want you guys to understand, as a child, my parents conditioned me not to talk to strangers. So now I've got decades of information in my subconscious mind and your subconscious is pretty much how you live every single day of your life, that's telling me every time I see a girl that I want to approach her, remember, stranger danger. So I personally believe that if you were taught that as a child, and likely you were, because it's very safe to teach a child that, because children can't defend themselves from an adult. I think if you struggle with cold approaching girls, then that could be part of the reason why. However, what I'm going to talk about and teach you guys in this video is just what I did to get over that, man. Now, like I said, just to preference this, like I said, that hesitation, depending on what mood I'm in and if I've talked to anybody or not, it's always going to be there. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and bullshit you and say that feeling never goes away. It never does. But your mood is going to greatly influence if you're going to have those like that anxiety feeling or not. So before I get into the video, man, if you guys want to understand women even more, whether that's cold approaching, learning to meet new girls, getting better relationships, man, subscribe to the channel. So what I do is I just help men become better men and have better and more fulfilling relationships by understanding women. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is, if you're somebody right now, like when I look back when I first started this, like I've always said that I've been good with girls. I've always been good with girls, always have been. I actually get along better with women than I do men. And I think that is because for two reasons. Two reasons. Number one, I had a dad and a stepdad, but I never had a father be a father to me, if that makes sense. So I had to learn how to be a man through trial and error and studying and learning from other men. So, and because number two, I was number one, I was raised by a woman, I've naturally behaved more feminine. So I understand how to communicate with women and interact with them on a better level than like majority of men. Now, the second thing is that I had my first girlfriend in high school, dog. I'm 30 now. That was back when I was 15. But I've got 15 years of experience with women. Like, I'm kind of good at doing this. I'm kind of experienced with this shit. Okay, so that's why I'm going to tell you what to do. But now I do want to say this, bro. I never went out of my way to start cold approaching women. I never went out of my way to start cold approaching women. Until, actually, God, I mean, like actively cold approaching. Let's say that actively cold, like, okay, I'm going to go here, or I'm going to do this, or when I'm at this location, I'm going to say hi to like a girl, or I'm going to do something. That's what I mean by actively. When I look back in the past, I think I might have always done that, but at the time I wasn't aware of what I was doing. Like, I didn't have a system to do it. So back then, I probably met people off of maybe like Facebook or Instagram, and I still meet people off of Facebook or Instagram. Like that text message you just heard me jump from was a girl that I met off of Facebook. But yeah, never knew what I was doing. So first thing we're gonna do, we have to desensitize ourselves with being around women, and in order to do that, you gotta learn how to talk to them. And I don't mean full-blown conversations, dog. I don't mean that. I want you to get comfortable like with the idea that if I say something to a girl, more than likely she's gonna respond back with like a thank you, or she will answer your question. Women, I actually think, and if she likes you too, dog, she might like be really nervous, and like you might think it's her being like rude or that she doesn't like you, and that's possible. Most women are not going to like you, so that's possible. However, it's also possible that she could just be just as nervous as you are, and actually I would argue even more nervous, because women are more emotional than men are. They're extremely emotional, so their emotions are even worse. So first thing we got to do is, I started going to the farmers market in my area every Sunday. I live in a very rich area in Florida, and there's a farmers market not too far from my house, about 15 minutes, 20 minutes away with traffic, that I go to. Brand new area. So it's during the day, and I'm in a wheelchair, so I can't just walk around. So I go there because I also take my dog with me. So I have a long-haired European German Shepherd. He's a show dog. He's basically like having a pretty girl around, dude. The amount of fucking compliments I get with this dog, crazy. Like the amount of girls I met today, or I mean, I knew a lot of them, but like at the gym, the amount of like women I talked to today, just because when I have the dog, it's like they come up to me, and then in the past, I've probably went up to them, so they already know who I am. But I'll take the dog there, and when I'm there, this is the important part. This is the first thing, if you work with me with coaching, the first thing I'm going to tell any man to do is we have to pick a location that you enjoy going to. So for me, that's in this case, it's the farmers market, and you have to go there every single week because you enjoy it. Okay. And every time you're there, I want you to tell yourself, I am going to say hi to at least one person. Okay. And then you're going to start with one, and then you're going to start with two, and then you're going to 3, and then you're going to keep going. Eventually, you're going to get to where I'm at, and you're like, I'm going to say hi to this whole fucking farmer's market. When I'm at the farmer's market, I roll and I make eye contact with everybody that I see. Everybody that passes by me, I'm making eye contact with them. If they look at me, boom, hey, how are you? Hey, good morning. Guys, hey, good morning. Hey, happy Sunday. Ladies, you look phenomenal. Girls, good morning. Ladies, good to see you. That's what I'm doing. It's just a greeting. So some of the phrases that I often find myself using: good morning, good afternoon, hey, how are you? And what's the other one? And then I give a compliment. Hey, excuse me. Oh my God, you look phenomenal in this outfit, right? Those what I use often. Those just work the best for me. They work the best for me simply because I've done them so much. Those just kind of flow off my head naturally. But this is the first step to getting, to become confident with women, because if you're not going to be like in this way, you're not trying to start a conversation. Even with the, hey, how are you? Could that be used to start a conversation? Of course it can. However, when I'm just passing by, when I'm in my, like if I have the dog with me, I'm not stopping my wheelchair now, unless they're like, that's a pretty dog. Then I'll stop and say, hey, do you want to meet him? Then I can stop them, okay? But what I'm saying is, like, when I say these things, I'm looking at them, I'll say the greeting, and then I'm keeping it pushing. I'm not stopping. This is going to be the easiest way for you guys to start building that confidence when it comes to cold approaching people, because you're going to desensitize yourself to doing this, and you're going to see that 9 times out of 10, people are actually really cool to talk to. They will give you a greeting back. They will say like, thank you, or they'll say, hey, yeah, man, I'm doing good. How are you? They'll say something back to you. And that doesn't mean you have to have a conversation with them, but I've also found that the conversations that I have with people, those just kind of happen. Now, what I mean is if I say something, if they say that's a pretty dog, there's been times where I'm like, hey, do you want to meet him? I'm starting a conversation. That's what I mean. Like someone's going to say something after I speak to them, and now I'm engaged in a dialogue. That's whether it's you or the girl. I know one of the coaches that I'm going to recommend you watch is Coach Kyle Frugen. He's a phenomenal guy. He agrees that men have to be the one to lead and dominate the conversation until the girl is comfortable with you. And I agree, but I'm telling you from my personal experience that when I'm in dialogues with women that last, like that I ask out, they kind of just happen, bro. So that's the first step, is once you start like greeting random people, you're going to do that over and over until you can do it. And it's like fun. Like I really enjoy complimenting people. Like when I go to the grocery store, so like today at Publix, if I see someone, I think two girls today at the grocery store, I think I was like, hey, you're just really pretty. And I just kept pushing it. Okay. So what we want to do is, first step is going to be go to a location, and then you're going to say hi to people, as many people as you can. It's going to be difficult at first because there's going to be that invisible barrier. But I'm telling you, when you start doing this, when you break through that barrier and you just blurt it out, hey, good morning. When you do that to like 2 or 3 people, you're warming up your social muscle and you're entering that flow state. And then it just becomes easy. And then when I compliment girls, some of them really light up. And that makes me feel good knowing that I made them feel good. Then the second step would be, after you've gotten good at like saying hi to random people, I would now make it a point to, okay, well, now I know that I can say hi to strangers. Now we want to start doing it to just girls. So like when I'm out like at the gym today, there was this beautiful foreign looking girl. I didn't know she was foreign until I heard her voice, but I went up and she looked like she was Russian. So like a dime. Dude, the fucking body in this girl, oh my God. Went up to her because I was just running around the gym with my dog, because I do cardio there. I exercise the dog by doing laps around the gym because he won't like play in the grass, and I'm in a wheelchair. I can't play in the grass anyways. So I went up to her, and she fucking smelled so good. And I was just like, hey, excuse me. I was like, hey, excuse me. So she had her headphones on, guys. So listen to what I'm doing. I had to get her attention. Hey, excuse me. And I stopped right in front of her. So she looked over, and then I was like, hey, I smiled. She took her headphones off, and I said, hey, what are you wearing right now, like perfume wise? And she was like, oh, it's Valentino, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, dude, I'm wearing Valentino too. I said, listen, all I wanted to tell you was that you smell marvelous. She was like, thank you. I said, yeah, man. I said, you're welcome. And I just kept going. Okay. So that's the next step right there, is now we want to do it to just women. And guys, this is where becoming confident with women really takes off, because once we say hi to people, now the next step is we got to do it to just girls. Okay, this is where it's going to scare a lot of you guys, but if this is where we got to frame your mindset too. If you go up and cold approach a girl, if you see something on that girl that you like, or in this instance, I smelt something that smelt really good, and I knew it was from her because when I passed her twice, I could keep smelling that. So I wasn't thinking I'm going to go and get this girl's phone number. That's going to fuck you every single time, and you're not going to do it. You do not talk to women with the intention of getting an outcome, which is the phone number. That is so much pressure, and like 99% of girls are not going to like you. So what did I do? I saw her, she smelled good. I'm going to go tell her she smells good. That's what I did. Hey, excuse me. Hey, what are you wearing right now? Valentino. Yeah, so am I, man. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you, you smell so fucking good. And depending on her response, if she gives you like, she was like, oh yeah, thank you. So that wasn't like a very elaborate thank you. But if she's like, oh my God, thank you, and she lights up, then you can say, yeah, man, hey, what's your name? And then you can ask for a name. Then you can talk to her. But in this case, don't cold approach a girl thinking that you got to say something unique, because you don't. Don't cold approach a girl thinking she's hot, I want a number, because that's going to fuck you over. If you see something on her, an article of clothing, an outfit, if she's at the gym and she looks built, hey, excuse me, listen, I just wanted to come over here and let you know, man, like whatever you're doing for your workouts, man, keep it up, because you look fucking stellar compared to like most girls here, man. You're doing such a good job. You can say that. Okay, so instead of like, if you're like, oh, I don't want to call a girl cute or pretty because she's beautiful, because she hears it all the time. Well, number one, she hasn't heard it from you, dork. Number two, use different words like stunning, stellar, marvelous, magnificent, amazing. Use bigger words like that, because women don't hear that, and that's going to make you sound smarter, and bigger words also sound better. Little pro tip for you. But I went up to girls, I'm like, hey, you're really cute. I just want to let you know that. Like, that's fine, dog. Hey, I just wanted to come over here and let you know, man, you're really pretty, and that's all I wanted to tell you. Went up to another girl at the little like glute machine, where like that's pretty vulnerable to cold approach a girl, and I was on the cable machines, and I went up to her and said, hey, excuse me, I said, listen, I'm going to get back to doing my thing over here, but I just wanted to let you know, man, you are really beautiful. She was like, thank you. I said, yeah. Hey, it was like, hey, because she had a bunch of tattoos. I was like, where'd you get all your tattoos at? Those look good. And then she was like, oh, from St. Pete, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, oh, listen, well, I go to this shop locally. So if you're ever in the market and you don't want to drive all the way to St. Pete, I get compliments on my legs all the time from this artist. And I was like, but listen, I just wanted to tell you you're pretty, man. Have a good day. And I left. Okay. I'm desensitizing myself to being able to go up and talk to women. And you're going to see, guys, that when you do this, they're going to respond back to you. Like, it's 1 out of 10 girls, I would say, like, ignore me or give me like a very like rude response that I think is like rude. And if that's the case, bro, okay, it's just, oh, hey, you're welcome. Hey, you're welcome. Have a good day. Just leave. They could be in a bad mood. She could be a bitch. She might not like you. You never know, dude. You don't know what's going on in that girl's head. She might have a boyfriend. She might like you and have a boyfriend. So then it's like, if she respects the relationship, well, she's not gonna come on to you, dog. You're never gonna know, man. So that's 2 steps right there. Number 1, go somewhere and say hi to strangers. Number 2, now we got to start complimenting girls, only girls. This is literally the last step that like you need to do before you start like learning how to have like conversations with them. Because like if you know how to talk to girls, like if you talk to a guy like you would talk to a girl, or if you just talk to girls like you would your boys, then you're good to go. It doesn't matter what you say to a girl, even if you're in a conversation. She's either gonna like you or she's not. And if you're watching this video, hopefully you at least know how to have conversations with people. So that way, when you're in a conversation with the girl, because you've already done the hard part of approaching her, which I just taught you how to do, that's literally by just going up and complimenting her. And then you can walk away if you want. After that, I mean, ask for her name, and then you can ask her a question. But that's literally like, you will become confident with women. I mean, unshakable, dude. Because when you get in a habit of just complimenting women, that cold approach, that initial fear, that's going to go away. Like, it never does, but it's going to be less. And then you're going to become more confident, and women are attracted to confident men. That's literally the only thing, like the 2 steps you need to do. You're not going to be able to learn how to talk to girls if you don't know how to fucking approach them in the first place. And these 2 steps are quite literally the easiest way to do it, guys. And then once you get good at approaching them, then you got to ask for the name. And then you can, depending on their response, if she's like, thank you, or she's like, thank you. When you get that response, then you ask for the name, and then you can just ask her a question. Okay? But these 2 steps right here, you can do 1 and 2 in 30 days, and you're going to see the way you would talk, the way you approach women, and the way you talk to women. When you learn that what I said is correct, that it doesn't matter what the fuck you say to a girl, as long as you say something to her that's going to make her feel good, then she's going to end up like feeling good around you. I'm not saying she's going to like you romantically, but if there's a conversation that's going to happen, it's going to happen. I just want you guys to get in the habit of approaching women, because then you're not going to be afraid of talking to girls. And that way, when you talk to them, she's not going to sense that. Okay, guys, this is how you can become uncomfortable with women. You can do this in 30 days. It can take even longer. I don't go out of my way to do this anymore. But like I said, every Sunday, I go to the farmer's market to say hi to people. And then when I'm at the grocery store, if I'm at the gym, if I'm at Costco, if I'm at Walmart, wherever the fuck I'm at, if I see a girl that looks pretty, I'm going to let her know. And then most of the time, we're gonna walk away from each other. And then sometimes I end up talking to her. Bam. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Listen, I have an offer that I want to make for the guys right now. First 3 men can work with me for absolutely free, but I have a new 8-week one-on-one personal coaching program where I can help you learn how to become a better man, get better with women, understand them, and have better or more relationships. I'm taking the first 3 men on for free that I decide to work with, because I need to make sure that I can help you. After that, it'll be $19.97, but I'm doing this for 3 people. And like I said, you got to be willing to do what I'm going to tell you. Okay, guys. But if you're interested in working with me, get coached on how to do all this stuff from a guy in a wheelchair with 15 years of experience with women, I can help you. I know that. Click the link in the description. Go check out that video. And if you think it's for you, man, book a time to speak with me. Gentlemen, if you want to continue understanding women or becoming a better man, check out one of these 2 right here. Guys, hey, see you in the next one.